We are pleased to show you the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, Sirius XM radio, bed liner. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.